Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Odoo Direct Print in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This module enhances printing efficiency by allowing user to configure a direct PDF download from specific reports. Instead of applying direct print to all reports by default, this module offers a customizable approach where user can enable or disable direct printing based on their preferences. Once installed and configured, it streamlines document handling across all Odoo modules, improving workflow efficiency and user control over report printing. First of all, we need to go into the settings. Under Technical, we will find an option for Reports. Open that and here you will find the different module reports. Here we need to go into the lot serial number with module stock list. Here you can see the action name, report type, pager format, model name, template name and print report name. Now under print you will find a field name print report option. Select open print dialog and save it. Now we will hop on to the inventory module. Here under products we will go into the lot and serial numbers. Here you can see different lot serial number. We will open this one for product drawer. Here you can see the lot and serial number. Now in action button you will find the menu for print. Click on that and you will get lot serial number PDF. Click on that and here you can see the lot and serial number PDF. Now if you want to save it in your system, you can just click on save and from here you can save this in your system. Here you can see it is in PDF form. Save it and it will be saved into your system. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.